place is only like 2 minutes up the road, so we'll head up there. See y'all in a minute. Alright, we're full of cocoa juice now, so we'll head out there. Like I said, it's like 5 minutes away. But this is a private trail. It's people in Jeep Club, it's their backyard. But they do open, they ask, all you do is ask. And most of the time they'll open it up if you think you can get through. It's on Facebook, it's HBY Hill Backyard Trails. Wendy and Scott Hill are the owners of the property. And somebody asked last night and they opened it up. I figured we head out there. We'll be there in about 2 minutes. I'll see y'all when we get there. So we're about to get started, and I've been advised by the people who own this place, this first obstacle we're gonna get to, I'm probably gonna get stuck in. But I told them I'll try it anyway. It'd make for a decent video. So we're gonna go for it. Probably not gonna be able to see afterwards. It is what it is. This trail is, it's got some mud holes in it, but it's mostly tight and technical. And I've got a long 4-door Jeep, so it makes it even more tight and technical for me. But I've done this trail, I didn't take that cooler on. I've done this trail so many times that I could just about do it with my eyes closed. We're third in line and got somebody behind me with a winch, because I don't have a winch on here. Somebody behind me with the winch and somebody in front of me with the winch. In case we do get stuck in this hole, which chances are we will. And they say this first part is deep. And everybody's going around it except for me. I'm gonna go through it. Like an idiot. Windows are going up. Don't hit that tree. Because of the dirt on the windshield. We hit the frame. And we're stuck. Hard enough to stand on, that's for sure. Mud hole. He's gonna winch me out. Almost took my mirror off. Pull me backwards, and then I think try to pull me back forwards.
Too close.
Oh.
Go ahead and snug it up.
I shouldn't have tried this. Somebody else I sent her a little too hard there, boys. She's soft in there.
Alright, hold up. Alright, Luke, get on in. Cut your wheels, passenger.
I think that's about as far passenger as they're gonna go. I don't remember this hole being this steep going down in here. Oh, I'm still dragging the hogshead. That's why it's stuck. I'm dragging it all the way up there. Yeah. They said the last guys that come through here were on 41s. I'm on 35s and I tried it. But that's one thing you ain't ever gonna say with me is I didn't try it. I'd do anything four-wheel driving this Jeep, even though it's my daily driver. I think they're gonna finish pulling me out. I think they're gonna move this white Jeep, finish pulling me out, and they will hit the go around. Last time I was in this hole, I made it almost all the way out and hit a wall. There's a wall up there at the end. I hit that wall, and in the midst of trying to get pulled out, I broke my front passenger side axle. So I'm actually glad I didn't try that hard this time, because that was a $300 fix. I'm gonna go back up to their house and spray my windshield up, because I can't see anything in these woods. Spray my mirrors off too. That's what I'm trying to look out of, come through these woods. Alright, that's better. Most important things for me, personally, because I have a 4-door Wrangler, is my mirrors and my front driver and passenger window. Because I have to be able to look out this window and either one of these mirrors and see where my rear tires are, because this trail is tight and technical along with muddy. But I have to be able to see where everything's at so I don't smash body panels into trees. Now I'm not the most worried about smashing body panels into trees, but with it being my daily driver, I'd rather not have it like completely tore up. So we're gonna go catch back up to them. I know which way they went on this trail, so I'm gonna go catch up to them, and I'll talk. But we're gonna try to fly through some of this stuff to catch up with them. I had the camera up there recording. I think it's still recording. Matter of fact, I'm gonna check it right now. All right, let's go catch up with them. I just saw them. I know where they're at now. They're kind of far ahead of me. I'm gonna try not to go too crazy through some of these. Oh, they're coming around right here, so they're not that far ahead of me. Got mud all over my shirt now. The tight stuff is where we're getting ready to go. That's right up here. And I hope that camera up there is gonna get most of it. It's kind of soft through here. But it's like really hard right here. This is the hardest I've seen it in this spot. Oh man, it's so nice to have a clean windshield. And clean side windows or mirrors where I can see where I'm going. Oh man, these are tight for a 4-door. Didn't even hit that tree. Those are perks of driving a tractor trailer all day. Alright, get a little video of him coming through here. Keep it hard, passenger. Go slow. Go driver and back it up. Alright, now you can go back passenger and come around. Keep it passenger. Back up, go passenger. Yeah, no, back up and stay passenger. You're gonna want to get as close to this tree as you can. All right. Straighten up. Now come forward straight. Go driver. Straighten up. Straighten up. You might have to bump it a little bit. It's hitting this root over here. It's close. I'm gonna get you to back all the way back up. Go driver. Straight. Passenger. All right. Come straight. Run the inside of your tire along that tree. Go driver. Keep it driver. Now come straight. You're gonna kind of want to run your rear tire on this tree. If you have to pull your mirror in, you might have to. You might want to back it up some, pull that mirror in. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. You're in 4 low, right? You in 4 low?
4 high.
Put it in 4 low. Yeah. It should activate the brake lock, I hope.
Am I hitting the draft? Is it looks like
No, it's this tire spinning on this wood here.
Oh.
Alright, now try to come on. There you go. Come passenger. Now you can straighten up and get right behind me. Alright, we had to walk him through that. Brake lock differentials on these things is amazing. It's, like I was telling him, it's not as good as a locker, but for a situation like that, it works just as good as one, because the way he was sitting is he was floating 2 wheels. He was floating his front driver and his rear passenger. And in that hole back there, there's a root that your front passenger hits. It stops you from getting any momentum forward. And what that brake lock did was sent power to that so he'd climb up and over that root. As soon as he put in 4 low, the brake lock's hit and it climbed him right up and over. Like a charm. Alright, so that was the HBY trails. We got that guy behind us, he made it through and got his trail badge. And I hope I got some good video from that. I'm not sure what my up top GoPro did that whole time. The up top GoPro, it's had an issue where it freezes up and it won't save videos. So that's what happened there. It didn't save videos. So all I had was in the Jeep video, and that's just looking at me. It's not really worth it. Anything that came from outside was from the inside GoPro. I gotta see if I can. I gotta see if there's a firmware update for that one that was up top, because it does that a lot. It'll just freeze up and quit recording. So I did miss a lot of the outside on the second time through. Sorry about that. But let's go finish the video out. I think it recorded, but I'm not 100%. It's not connected to my app right now. But we're gonna go. We gotta go to Lowe's right now. We gotta pressure wash the house. We gotta go to Lowe's and get a sprayer, and I need a spark plug and some gasoline for the pressure washer. I'm trying to get this video posted. It'll probably go on YouTube tomorrow to be on the HBY page